So picked up this V6 turbo Vauxhall Vectra VXR. Paintwork's a bit shabby, but it's been parked up for a while. Bloody quick, nice to drive. So I thought I'd rejuvenate the paintwork and see what I could do. So I was having a click around and I found T-Cut swirl something and sort of protector to go with it as a little kit. So took it, jet washed it, cleaned it, get rid of all the surface dirt before putting any wax on. The T-Cut stuff, see the description, I'll put the links in there, so if you want any of that. It's really good stuff. I was actually really impressed. So the bottle I've used, this is the third car I've used it on. Obviously all the cars were black, so it does go a long way. Might cost a few quid, but you know, if you can do 3-4 cars with the stuff, it's definitely worth it. So after a thorough clean, I put the Colorfast 365 onto a microfiber cloth and smeared it in all over the paint. Just get rid of all the swirls, put it in, get it all clean, and then take the wax off, and then it's ready for the seal, the colour seal. Now this is the colour seal, so that goes on top of the wax and protects it. So when you then get it wet, the water beads. As well as this, the dirt doesn't stick to the car, so it's really easy to clean your car once it gets dirty if you've got this on. And as the packet says, it lasts a year. Really impressive, great stuff. It does 3-4 cars easily. So yeah, check out the description, I'll put the links in there. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.